What's up, MTV? It's Mr. Morris. We're putting the TV in MTV today. Let me show you around. This is the news desk, where Dean does his A-push homework and Chris and Evan sit around and do nothing before giving me a 15-minute unairable project. Over here we have the interrogation chair, where if you've done anything remotely good, we're getting you in there. Over here we have the Phil Allen Buster podium, recently renamed to the cooking station for the dastardly scripts we cook up here, such as over here is the charging station. You have to check every single one to find one that's remotely charged enough. Has anyone seen a Sony battery? Over here we have the editing suite, where Jackson edits non-stop. Let's give him a visit. Now this kid's an actor, but show him what you can do on After Effects.
This is called a nest. This is a sound that I purchased. Can I have my A now?
Yeah. Done. Over here is the roasting station. I hope there's nothing wrong with your film.
Cooking always ends in calamity. Why not have a...
It's a nice tight shot.
You know I can't court a lady. Be that as it may, there has no need for witchcraft. We mustn't fall.
So what happened here? This is the private screening room. If you like watching your favorite films on repeat with no audio, make an appointment here. If you follow me back here, we'll have the supply closet, filled with treasures from a forgotten age. Like this camcorder. No one has touched this since 1992. Now, if you come a little further back, we have the musical instrument corner. We have at least 6 ukuleles. And this thing. Now, if you come out here, direct your attention to the Hotline Bling podcast booth. We dust this thing off about once every 3 months for the 2 running podcasts in the school. Now, over here, we have the underachiever couch. People love to sit here and do homework or nothing. Over here is the cinema station with all your SD card needs. We recently added decor change. Good looking guy, huh? Is that a Nash kid?